Hello and welcome to this tutorial of Money Grande, where we will see how to buy stocks using the ThinkorSwim platform of Ameritrade. Um, let's suppose that I'm here on my paper trade account. It says, how I can tell, it's just yellow. It's surrounded by a yellow frame, and it also says simulated trading. You gotta note that when you're doing simulated trading, the data is delayed by 15 minutes. So you're gonna get close to reality results, but a little bit worse than reality results because the data is delayed. So let's suppose that we just received a boost that reads bought to open work, WORK, at 32.05. So we know this is a stock because it does not have any date in the boost. So we're going to place that and we go to trade. And in this box, we click, we erase what is there, and we write the ticker name, WORK, work. We make sure that it's work, Slack Technologies Inc. is trading right now. This is the spot price, 31.77. The boost said that I bought it at, and we can hide this option chain here. The boost said that I bought it at 32.05, and right now it's at 31.7975. So you're gonna get it at a better price than I did. And this underlying, this is where I buy and sell stocks. It tells me the bidding price, the bid price is 31.81. That's the price at which I would sell. But since I'm buying, I'm going to the asking price is 31.87 right now. So I right click here in the ask, and it opens this menu, and I just tell them I'm going to buy stocks. And this menu just opens, and it's green because I'm buying. So basically, this is one of the controls. Since I'm buying is green, I'm buying stock. I buy. If I would want to sell, I just hit sell, but I'm buying here. The preset number is 100, so you got to make sure that this is within your 2% to invest. Since the price is 31.98, if I buy 100 stocks, is going to cost me around $3,200. So let's say that my 2% is around $1,000. So I know that I would have to go at least half. So I go into that box, I erase, I write 50, work, make sure this is the same ticker, type stock, this is what we're buying, price 31.96, limit, this is very important, the order has to be limit order, not market or stop limit, just limit. It's also very important that this lock is open and not closed. The fact that it is open, this price is fitting from the ask, so it's dynamic. So we gotta leave it open in order to be able to be in the game. It's also very important to, in this box, to have here day, not GDC, not XT, nothing like that, just day. It means that we're putting an order just for the day, and in case that you don't cancel it and it doesn't enter, it will expire at the end of the trading day, which is it's a safety feature for you. So we're going to leave it a day, and in exchange, make sure that you always have best. It's going to give you the best price, the best exchange that has it. So right now it's at 32, as we have spoken. It has It has increased a little bit, 31.97. So all of this is correct. I'm making sure this is a simulation, not a real trade. I hit confirm, and it tells me that I'm buying 50 work at 32. It's going to cost me 1,600 because I have margin. My buying power effect is diminishing by 800. So I could do it. Let's say that I really don't want to put positions higher than $1,000, and this is 1,600. And I want to go back and edit so that this is lower. That means that I have to buy less than 50. So I go back and I say edit. And let's say I buy 40. I stand there, hit delete, 40, confirm and send. 1,200. Still, let's say still over what I want. So let's say 35. 35 stocks. I try to do this fast, leaving this lock open, confirm and send. Let's say that I'm satisfied with that. I hit send, and then it goes. Now, because this is paper trading, it usually takes a while to fill. So right here, we have a buying order. It hasn't filled. How we know that it will fill, it would give me a trade price right here. So I wait a little bit. But let's say that a couple minutes pass by and it hasn't filled. So I have the option to go and modify the order. How I do that is I stand here, click in buy, right click. Sorry, I click in buy, and then the order opens. And when the order opens, I'm buying at 31.95 limit. Right now, I should be able to get in, but since this is paper trading, it usually takes a little bit of time. So I could right click here, and then it opens this menu, cancel order or cancel replace. I'm going to say cancel replace, and I'm going to, first thing is I open this box, this lock, and then it fits dynamically the current price. But I say I'm going to put it a little bit higher, and I'm going to try again. Of course, I'm going to pay a little bit more, send. So it says it canceled my previous order, and now it's working on this order. And it hasn't filled. When you're trading with real money, this order would have filled by now, because I'm offering to buy at 32, over 32, and right now it's at 32. So it should have filled. But again, since this is paper money, sometimes it takes a while because it's delayed. But let's say that I want to go back and tinker a little bit of the price. So I hit on buy, it opens the order. I right click, says cancel replace order. I open the lock, says 31.94. I increase it a little bit to 32, confirm and send. It canceled my order, and it's still working on this. The way I would see it, when it goes in, because it will take some time because of the simulator trading, I would see it in monitor. If I go to monitor, I would see it in my positions, but I will not see it with this buy green flag here. I would see it like I see right now in I would see it just my position there. And right now it doesn't have a trade price because the order hasn't filled in. So basically you would wait until it fills in, and if it's doing this more than 5 minutes and this price, the current price, is way beyond 32.05, then you would just cancel the order. But since it isn't, you can wait. Let's suppose it was increasing really fast then you would just cancel the order and let go of that boost. And that is how you buy stocks using the desktop version of ThinkorSwim from Ameritrade. Thank you.